I wanted to share with you how to use ChatGPT to translate content. So you'll see here I've got some content pulled up on 6 thinking hats, and I've already generated a response. And what I can do now is translate this to any of the languages that ChatGPT supports, which if you go to their help, you can see a list of the languages that they currently support. I'll link it below. If I type in translate to French, it will go through and translate this. Now, if you've done any translation work, especially in the learning and development field, you know that very often there are words that, while it might translate it one way, may not be applicable for the audience, like might have some jargon or things like that. And so we definitely want to have someone who's a native speaker review this and make sure that it's correct. Now, it translated this first piece, so I'm going to say so now it's saying that translating that whole paragraph for me. Now I could do something simpler, or translate this to, let's just say, Thai. Now, again, a native speaker would want to review this, make sure that it's correct, but the advantage to this is it can give you something to start with to at least send to your subject matter experts for them to read and make some edits, letting them know that they're going to need to look at it from a very conversational perspective and make sure that it works. But it's a pretty powerful tool to get some translation started.